So if your lashes have become sparse over the years, don't reach for a thicker liner. Let me show you a technique that I've been using for decades to make that lash line look fuller. You see these sparse areas on my lashes here and here, here and here, and over here. I'm going to show you what to do to make them look thicker. So what we're going to do, I'm going to take this pencil here from, this is a Trish McAvoy, this is an eyeliner. It's in the color Espresso, which happens to be like a warmer brown color, so it's not too dark. Stay away from anything black, that's just going to make it look too harsh. Looks like so, I'll show you the color. And the color looks like that. I'm going to take this Jones Road pencil sharpener and go in there and make it really pointy at the end so that it looks like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this pencil and we're going to go right in between those sparse areas. And we're going to go right in here. And we're going to wiggle that pencil in between those sparse areas. And especially down in here, we're just taking it up in there and we're wiggling it in there. So if you just keep going in between those lashes and wiggling it along, you will see how it will deepen it up. So this really, we're not really tight lining, we're wiggling in between those lashes just to make that lash line look thicker. Now, can you see the difference? It just deepens up that lash line and just makes it look more enhanced. Now, a lot of people think mature women should not wear a liner, but I totally disagree. I think the point is to go in there and be very strategic about where you're putting the liner, so it just enhances your eye as opposed to making it look too harsh. And you just take the pencil and go directly in between those sparse lashes and just wiggle it very gently. That's why it's important to make sure that your pencil is sharp and has a point on it. Little changes like this can make mature eyes brighter and more defined without it looking too heavy or harsh. If you gained any value from this video, please consider subscribing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.